Oh, mommy is still sleeping.
I think she is not feeling well, so let her sleep. She couldn't sleep through night. Mommy, mommy. Oh, she's sleeping. Daddy is outside. I must call him. Hi, Daddy. Mommy is still sleeping. She couldn't sleep full night. The baby was crying all the night. So please go to the market and buy some stuff for breakfast.
Oh my god, there are so many things to buy. I try my best to buy all the things.
Hopefully Daddy bring all the things. I tried to make breakfast for Daddy by myself.
I think that's enough for the breakfast.
Hello sir, please come to this counter for the bill please.
Oh yes, I'm coming.
Your bill is ready sir.
Okay, sure. Please, I want to buy one basket to put all the things in the basket.
Yes sure sir.
Oh, thanks. How much I have to pay?
Here is your bill sir.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye sir, have a nice day. Please come again. Mommy, mommy. Oh, mommy is still sleeping. I must go inside the kitchen and make breakfast by myself for daddy and for mommy.
Hey, sweetie, I buy everything. Come and check, please. Come on, sweetie, let's make a breakfast together. Can you help me?
No, daddy, please have a seat. I can do it all the things by myself. Please have a seat.
That's so sweet of you, sweetheart. I'm sure mommy will appreciate it. So, what did you have in your mind?
I saw so many times that you like bread, fried egg, and tea. So I tried to make fried egg and tea for you.
Oh, sure. I like to eat.
Start your breakfast with the fruit. I'm going to make a fried egg for you. Fried egg is almost ready, daddy. I'm coming. This is so much fun for me when I cook all alone without any help of you and mommy. Mommy always looks so happy when she cooks.
Yes, she does. And it's not just because of the food. It's the love she puts into it. Just like you are doing today.
Your tea is ready. I'm going to pour it. Oh my baby, you wake up. Come to me. Come on. Oh, I can't wait to surprise mom. Hope she like it. Good morning, everyone. Hey, what is it? Good morning, mommy. Please have a seat. I have surprise for you. Wait, I take a seat for baby too. Come, mommy. Please come and sit here. Now she couldn't sleep properly all the night. She just cried. She disturbed me a lot and she was disturbed too.
Hey baby, get well soon.
Hey baby, calm down. I know you are hungry. Wait a minute, sweetie. I'll make a milk for you. Calm down, my baby. Calm down. Sweetie, sweetie. Mommy, please have a tea. I'll make a milk for baby. You please sit here. I tried to make for her. Oh, sweetheart, the tea is so tasty. And you know, it's better than me. Sweetie, you are awesome. I like to take one more cup. You make my day so special. Oh, thank you so much, Mommy. Now I'm going to take a milk for baby. Oh my god, I forget to take the milk box from the table. Let me take it. I'm just coming, baby. Please don't cry. Your milk bottle is ready. Let me shake it. Shake, 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 shake. It's ready now. Now it's time to drink your milk. Please lay down. Please, please. Oh, good girl. Take it, take it. Open your mouth. Oh, good girl. You are so hungry. Oh my god. You drink it very fast. Drink it, drink it. Good girl, good.
Oh, baby Mary, you are going so fast. You are so responsible, sister. I'm so happy to see you like this.
I like your love and effort, my dear lovely daughter. You make my day so special. I'm so proud of you. You are very responsible girl. Mwah, mwah. I love you, my dear lovely darling. Mwah.